we're up in the lighthouse. I should have my iPod. Be taking pictures from the top of the lighthouse.
Man, this place must be kicking with frogs in the summer. Is this salt water or fresh water? What did you consider?
Well, there's an ocean over there, so, you know. You never know. Nature.
Which one would be set for it?
And putting trails through it to make money.
Oh, it's not to make money. I mean, we didn't pay anything to get in here.
Well, yeah, but, you know.
They probably get money from the state.
Exactly. I saw a sock in the parking lot.
Well, yeah.
Well, at Wawa.
Oh, that's right. Now, a lot of these, they could be replanting after the storms they had last year.
Is that what the trees are special?
That could be.
What storms? Did Irene come down here?
I think it was there. Oh, look at that. What does this mean?
Let's traverse the broken walkway.
What's this mean?
I don't know. There appears to be a detour. How old do you think that can is? That's not too rusty, so maybe not that old.
Pull the bottle over there.
Pisses me off how people throw stuff
Yeah.
just out here. It also makes me mad, like in math class, when people don't put the calculators back in the right spot.
People don't put calculators back in the right spot? Is that what you said?
Yeah, like, there's a big box with a bunch of calculators in there.
Mm-hmm.
There's numbers. Like 150 something. It really makes me mad when they don't put them back in the right numbers. And there's like this giant box next to Miss O'Mara's desk that has these graphing calculators in it.
Uh-huh.
Are like $100 a piece. $3,000 worth of calculators in a box. TI 82s. It's a lot of calculators. It's like 3 generations of calculators in there. There's the old scientific ones, there's the new scientific ones, and then there's the graphic ones. What the hell am I talking about math class? Forget that. Spring break, I don't want to talk about school.
This is the kind of place you just want to set up a chair and hang out all day.
Yeah, and hope something cool happens. If you're impatient. Wait for a plane to come crashing down.
Now this looks like steaming metal. Run your hand through there. See if you get stoned. I'm just kidding.
Okay. You remember the cedar bushes next door to the old house? Me, Brandon, and Mitchell used to hang out in there.
Did you really?
There's a little fort in there. It's still there.
Oh, yeah, there. It's not your property.
Well, it's too small now. When we were little.
Crickets. Crickets in early April.
Yeah, up in New York. It's been 70 degrees in March. Upstate New York, that's weird. But in New Jersey, is that normal?
I wouldn't say it's that abnormal. I think it's still considered kind of very common. Well, not too common. Somewhat common. Too common.
I see what you did there.
Are you videoing still?
Trollololol.
Huh?
What?
Are you videoing still?
Yeah.
You got enough memory for that?
Yeah. I only used like less than 8 gigs so far.
Oh, it's pine cones.
Yeah. Most of it's games. Like zombie games. Games and
Whatnot.
episodes of Seth MacFarlane's Cavalcade of Cartoon Comedy. There's only 5 of them, so that's how many I have. If you watch it sometime, you'll understand why it's not on TV.
Seth MacFarlane's Cavalcade of Comedy?
Cartoon Comedy, yeah.
.com.
Huh?
Seth MacFarlane's Cavalcade of Comedy.com.
Seth MacFarlane's Cavalcade of Cartoon Comedy.
.com.
Oh, it's like a series. Huh? There's 5 episodes, like 11 minutes each. Look at him go.
Those look like, are those fish?
Where?
Or are they pollywogs?
Where?
Right here.
I don't see them. My shadow's in the way.
Well, move your shadow.
I don't know. I think they are fish.
Either fish or, what's the other name for pollywog?
Tadpole?
Tadpole, yeah. There you go.
I think they might be fish. Oh, no, I can see them now. They're tadpoles. Never mind.
I think it's about that time of year.
Yeah,
when the tadpoles will start
I think they're tadpoles.
tagging and poling.
That'd suck to be like a stupid tadpole and like grow lungs and get rid of your gills and like drown because you're too stupid to realize that you gotta get out of the water. What the hell was that?
It's kind of big.
They keep telling Mitchell to let me know if he gets eaten by a gator. You think there are gators in New Jersey?
Yeah. Well, in the sewers up near the city, maybe, but doubt it.
Hopefully
There
one
aren't
eats
any-
the
there aren't any down here.
cast of Jersey Shore. Throw a rock in there and see if
No.
something hops.
It's supposed to a nature preserve.
Yeah, I know, but what if I grab one from the nature preserve and put it back